Welcome. In front of me is a MOTOROLA Moto E14, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now on one of the pages you will have the Do Not Disturb toggle. For me it's on the first page right at the bottom. Once you see this toggle first time around, I recommend holding it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can then customize how the mode will function once enabled. I recommend going through this, changing whatever you want to change, and from there you can close this. I am going to touch upon one of the options in here, which I find very useful, which is the duration for quick settings. This defines what happens when you press on the toggle itself. By default it is set to until you turn off, meaning that once you enable your Do Not Disturb mode, it's going to run indefinitely till you disable it yourself. I personally like to select it on the second option and make it something like 4 hours, which would basically cover whatever I need it for, plus hopefully a little bit of time extra. So now, whoops, I didn't save, let's try that again. There we go. So now whenever I enable the Do Not Disturb mode, which you can do by just tapping on a toggle, it will enable itself for 4 hours, and it tells me that it's going to run till 7:20 p.m. because right now it's 3:20 p.m. Now I can also turn it off myself if I remember that it's running. So I'll just tap on the toggle once more to turn it off. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.